We got a high torque impact wrench kit. Big shout out to Tim at Dana Tools Facebook group for posting this deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is the 4-mode half-an-inch high torque impact wrench kit with two 4 amp-hour batteries and a charger. So this is a high torque. Remember, guys, we're getting into the high torque here. So it's gonna be well above 1,000 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty much a beast. You guys know this one does have Milwaukee DNA, so it's going to be very similar to the Milwaukee high torque impact wrench at a friction of a cost, or the price fraction of a cost there. So $199, guys, down from $418. I doubted that this gets to $418, but yeah, really good at $199. The batteries by themselves cost that much. So yeah, guys, this is a killer deal. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of this video. On TikTok, I'll probably just leave a comment. But yeah, it does have 1,300 foot-pounds. Excuse me, I'm kind of sleepy. 1,300 foot-pounds of breakaway torque. That is a beast. Half-an-inch friction ring anvil, forward and reverse, variable speed trigger, LED light compatible with all rigid 18-volt batteries, 4-mode selector, hex grip, brushless motor technology, 18-volt batteries. And there you go. It is used on heavy equipment, or you can just use it on something that you can't take off in your vehicle, including those lug nuts that tire shops tend to tighten up with impact wrenches. And there's another example of what you could use it on suspension. Obviously on big rigs. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.